So in this short little cut I'll show you how to program this new Webasto remote to get connected to my car. This is a 2013 Volkswagen Sharan, but this method will work for a lot of other cars from Volkswagen and Skoda. So what you have to do is to find the power source of the car, the battery, and loosen these like this. It would be safer to cut the black one in here. That's the minus on the battery. So be careful. Don't get any contact here to metal else in the car. So this is what you do. You loosen this one, and all power systems of the car, they are now gone. Earlier, when clicking on, it flashed green for some seconds. Clicking off, it flashed red for some seconds. But after programming, we will get the Webasto started. So do like this: put the power on, wait for 2 seconds, then the off button, and you can hear a click, and now it's programmed. So let's try. Clicking on, and the green light indicates that it's connected, and the Webasto starts to warm up the car. And don't forget to fasten this one afterwards. Thank you very well for watching.